We need to simplify this one. So how will you simplify? Just integrate this and we will find out the result. Okay. So now integrate this e power j omega n, you will get e power j omega n by j omega and apply the limit. So applying the upper limit, e power minus j pi by 4 n minus e power minus j pi n, e power j pi n minus e power minus j plus j pi by 4n. Now, after simplifying this, I am getting hd of n is equal to sine pi n minus sine pi n by 4 divided by pi n. So, this range is from minus infinity to plus infinity. So, then the second step, we have to find out hd of n. We need to truncate the samples. Okay. So, how the truncation will happen? This truncation will, that is, we need to obtain h of n. That is, this hd of n is for mod n less than or equal to n minus 1 by 2, 0 otherwise, right? Here n is equal to 11 according to the problem. So here I am writing this as sine a pi n minus sine pi n by 4 divided by pi n for the range mod n less than or equal to 5. When you substitute 11, 11 minus 1, 10, 10 by 2, 5 and 0 otherwise. Okay. So this is what your h of n. Now we have obtained the h of n. Next thing is I need to obtain the coefficient of h of n, right? Now by substituting different values for n, that is the h of 0 first I am substituting. When you substitute h of 0, this become indeterminate, right? So we need to, with this become infinity. So indeterminate. So we need to apply L'Hospital rule. Yes. So what is L'Hospital rule? Just differentiating numerator term and denominator term separate. Applying L'Hospital rule, this will become cos pi n into pi, differentiating with respect to n, because when you substitute n is equal to 0, it become this equivalent become infinity. So I am differentiating this with respect to n. Okay. So cos pi n by 4 into pi by 4 divided by pi. Now we substitute n is equal to 0 in this case. So what will happen is cos 0 1. So pi minus pi by 4 divided by pi. So what you will get is you will get 3 by 4, which is equal to 0.75. So this is the value of h of 0. Then we need to find the remaining values by substituting different values of n in this equation. After substituting this different values for n in this one, I have written these values. H of 1 as minus 0.225. Similarly, I am getting all these values. So next step is what you need to find is you need to find the third one is h of z. Okay. So the h of z formula is h of 0 summation n is equal to 1 to n minus 1 by 2 h of n z power n plus z power minus n. So listen one here I have written like this, h of 1 is equal to h of minus 1, right? The reason is that here when you substitute n is equal to 1, in this case this coefficient is same for the index n is equal to 1 and n is equal to minus 1. So I have written it is h of 1 is equal to h of minus n. Okay. Now apply simple substituting the values in this equation. First we need to expand this equation, then we have to substitute the find out values and find the transfer function h of z. Now this is what the transfer function obtain after substituting the values. And the fourth step is what? This function is not physically realizable. So according to the design procedure, we need to find h dash of z, which is nothing but h of z into z power n minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now here h of z we have already find out. Here when you substitute n, you will get z power minus 5. So we need to multiply z power minus 5 with this find out transfer function, and you need to write down the h dash of z. Now multiplying z power minus 5, I am getting this answer. Okay. Next, if we want to obtain frequency response, put z is equal to e power j omega and find h dash of e power j omega. So this is what the procedure for finding the transfer function of a filter using the Fourier series method. Next, we will design an ideal bandpass filter with some desired frequency response. Now here we are going to design an ideal low pass filter with the frequency response. This is what the desired frequency response. We need to find this as usual h of n and h of z for n is equal to 7. So the first step is we need to draw the desired frequency response. This ranges from minus pi to pi. So this is what your hd of e power j omega. Now see here you are having two cutoff frequency. One is pi by 4, right? Another one is 3 pi by 4. Pi by 4 you will get here 2 pi by 4. Another one is 3 pi by 4, right? So here what is the thing? The band pass filter is here pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. The value is 1 because mod omega is given here. I am writing this same in the negative side also. So here the response is from to pi minus 3 pi by 4 to minus pi by 4 and pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. This is one. Now see here this is what your band pass filter, that is it will allow the frequency between two cutoff frequency and it will stop the frequency other than that cutoff frequency, right? Okay. So now we need to design using the same procedure. Now we have draw the desired response. The next step is we need to find hd of n. We have used this equation, same formula, and here substituting the value here minus pi to minus 3 by 4 it is 0. So I have taken minus 3 pi by 4 to minus pi by 4. The value is 1. So the remaining value is 0. So there is no need to write it. We have already familiar in writing this. Now pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. The value is 1. Okay, now here I need to find out this hd of n now. Okay, so first I will find this hd of n value by integrating these equations so that I am getting here 1 by pi n sine 3 pi n by 4 minus sine pi n by 4. Okay, so you know that how to integrate this e power j theta, right? E power j theta is equal to, when you integrate e power j theta, here instead of theta I am having omega n. Now I am integrating e power j omega n with respect to omega. So I am getting e power j omega n by j n. Similarly here this, then applying the limit. Okay, so now here I am interchanging these values so that I can combine to get this sign values. Okay, so and this is from minus pi to minus infinity to plus infinity. Now the second step is what? This is what the infinite value. So I need to truncate to the finite value. So here n is equal to 7, right? So here I am getting mod n less than or equal to 3. So here I got this value now. So h of 0, see when I substitute n is equal to 0, it will infinity, which will result in indeterminate values. So I am integrating this numerator and denominator separately. So I am getting cos 3 pi by 4n into 3 pi by 4. Similarly cos pi n by 4 into pi by 4 divided by pi. So 3 pi by 4n minus pi by 4 divided by pi, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, and now similarly I am substituting the different values of n. I am getting these answers. H of n 0, h of 2 is 0.3183 and h of 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now h of z I need to find out the next step. Okay, you know this formula. Okay, so now expand this one and substitute the value so that you can get h of z is equal to 0.5 minus 0.3183 z power 2 plus z power minus 2. Okay, next one is h dash of z. H dash of z is equal to h of z into z power minus n minus 1 by 2. So h of z into z power minus 3. So h dash of z is this one. Okay, so The next one is we need to obtain the frequency response by substituting z is equal to e power j omega. So the same procedure, only the desired frequency response, that is the given problem, will change. Then using the same procedure we need to find out this transfer function of a FIR filter. Now see this third problem. We are going to design an ideal band reject filter with the desired frequency response, this one. Okay, so we need to find as usual h of n and h of z for n is equal to 1. So the first step is you need to draw the desired response. So this is from minus pi to pi. Okay, so this is what your hd of e power j omega. See here, in this band reject filter you are having two cutoff frequency, right? So one is what, pi by 3, and another is 2 pi by 3, right? And here minus pi by 3 and another is minus 2 pi by 3. Okay, so what is given here? Mod omega less than or equal to pi by 3. Okay, so that is for this range, the entire range, mod omega less than or equal to pi by 3, it is 1. Okay, so the next one is what is given, mod omega greater than or equal to 2 pi by 3. So considered here, this is what your pi. So mod omega greater than 2 pi by 3. Okay, so here you will get the response like this. For negative side also I need to draw the same. Okay, so minus 2 pi by 3 to minus pi. Okay, now see this one, and this is what your ideal band reject filter, that is it is rejecting the frequencies between these two cutoff frequency, and it will transmit the remaining frequency. So now here we have applied for the same case in the negative side. Okay, now we will proceed with our same design procedure and we will find the h of n and h of z. Now after drawing this desired frequency response using this formula, I have written this integral into three parts. Here minus pi by 2 to minus 2 pi by 3, next minus pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3, then 2 pi by 3 to 2 pi. Okay, so after integrating and substituting the limit, you will get this. Then as usual you have to simplify it and you have to find out this hd of n, and this hd of n is from minus infinity to plus infinity. So the next step is you need to truncate to mod n less than n minus 1 by 2. Here n is equal to 9, so I am getting mod n less than or equal to 4. Then we need to find the different values of n, that is 0 to less than or equal to 4. So first I have substituted 0, so I am getting infinity, so it is determinant. So I am going to apply L'Hospital rule here. As L'Hospital rule. So here differentiating numerators is cos pi n into pi. So here cos pi n by 3 into pi by 3, cos 2 pi by 2 pi n and 3 into 2 pi 3 divided by pi. Pi n differentiate, you will get pi. Okay, now substituting n is equal to 0, I am getting 2 by 3. Similarly, use this equation and you find substitute the values of 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you will get these values. Okay, now the next one is we need to find out the transfer function. The h of z is equal to h of 0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to n minus 1 by 2 h of n z power minus n. Okay, now here using this equation, now I am substituting the all find out values of this, and I have rewritten this equation. So I am getting only h of 0 value, h of 2 value and h of 4 value. So I am written h of 0, h of 2, h of 4, remaining 1 and 3 are 0. Okay, so here I have find out h of z. Next step is what, this transfer function is not physically realizable because there will be delay. So I am multiplying this by a delay factor z power minus n minus 1 by 2. Okay, so here z power minus 4 I am getting delay. So multiplying with this above transfer function, I am getting this one. Okay, so the next one is we need to find z is equal to e power j omega. Sorry, if you want to find transfer function, frequency response, you need to substitute z is equal to e power j omega. Substituting in this is you will get this h of e power j omega. Okay, so now in this Fourier series method, this is what your design procedure, and we have seen the examples for low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter and band stop filter design. I hope that you have understand all these problems, and we will solve some tutorial problems in the next class. Then you will get familiarized with this FIR, that is Fourier series design technique. Thank you.